Osoro, you're telling us to learn how to program, you're telling us to do all these boring things. Why? And we have AI. We can simply prompt, vibe code, and we get whatever it is that we want. Yeah, I really hope this will be the last video of me regurgitating or repeating what I've been saying. Yesterday, Arsenal won 3-0 against Manchester City. I'm an Arsenal fan. So how is this related to learning how to program? I want you to, especially if you're a football fan, there's something you'll notice. Most of the top coaches, at least in Europe, and those who have uh, uh, won very prestigious awards, cups, were once football players. You can talk of Mourinho, you can talk of Ferguson. Yes, Ferguson. He coached in. He used to play in Aberdeen, some team in Scotland. Um, you can talk of Zinedine Zidane, who won La Decima in Real Madrid. These are people who understood the game. Yes, you can argue Mourinho never played professional football, but he did spend time with people who were playing football in his time in Barcelona when he was, I think, the translator of was it Bobby Robson? So yeah. So he was in that environment. He understood why players moved in a particular way. He appreciated what weather meant in a game, how to deal with a team with better defense or midfield, all that. And you just have to get your hands dirty for you to get at the top. And similarly with programming or software development, uh, if you can put yourself in a position where if a client gives you requirements, immediately as they're giving you requirements, you're able to, in a sense, instinctively think about how that system is going to be designed. Uh, Tell them, even improve their requirements by appreciating the environment that they live in. They could be like, there's a project we did in Sudan. There's no internet connectivity there, so we were able to advise how that can work. You could find yourself in interesting situations whereby people have feature phones. So how do you build for people with feature phones? You, most of these things only become not only relevant but practical if you get your hands dirty. I get that programming, some of you say it's hard. Sometimes I keep on getting messages of, "Oh, what can I tell my son, my daughter? What?" This is it. You just have to learn it. I hope this video will help you, and we need to move on to other things. I don't like that we are repeating this subject over and over. Asanteni sana.